Hell, this is really zoomed in. Put my scanner down because the camera interferes with it. But this Canadian train got permit to work in the yard a little bit up the lead. These guys are working on the switch. We'll stand still for a minute. Obviously the yard's mostly empty. Well, full of it. 1 and 2 tracks are empty in the main. Gonna guess they're doing a few cutouts or pickups or both. Kinda cool. 4 units to switch with. And these guys are busy working. Who knows how this will play out today. There we go. Something interesting and new. And a really, really bright sunrise.